I'm Egbuna Henrietta Uzoamaka from Nigeria. I was diagnosed with thyroid cancer and there was need to do a thyroidectomy. I was so scared, but I had to do it since it was the only way out. After the biopsy, I had the thyroidectomy. But after about some months, there was the lymph node that was growing, so everything wasn't taken out. The problem was still there, and that was when I started battling with it.
So one day I got an email about patient Henrietta, and when I read the papers, the documents, it was not a very pleasant thing to read, because she was suffering from papillary thyroid carcinoma, operated way back in her country, and now she was there with recurrence of the tumor or maybe a residual tumor, and now with metastasis or cancer spreading into the neck.
My endocrinologist from Lagos linked me up with Max Hospital. From all the reviews, from all we read about them, and the online consultation I had with the doctor himself, Dr. Sumit Mrig, we made up our minds that this is our best bet.
I examined her and it was not a good sight. She had a very big nodal metastasis. There was a big mass which was lying in the neck and it was completely fixed. It was not moving. There was some more tumor palpable in the neck.
So on that day I went in. It was like a joke, honestly. It was like so easy, so simple, as if it was just ordinary appendectomy. But then I thank God for everything. And you won't believe me, after the surgery, that same day, I was able to drink, I was able to chew biscuits, I was able to eat normal food. I couldn't believe it.
Really grateful to have patients with great conviction and their support and their confidence on the surgeon. We as surgeons, especially with oncosurgery, we can only do our job is to remove the tumor. But let me tell you, really happy to see her recover well. And this is not just a good work by the ENT and the oncology team with my colleague Dr. Sharan Choudhri, but also a great conviction, trust, faith of patient.
I thank the team. I thank the IPS staff. They're wonderful people. Not allowing us to go through any stress is quite good.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.